What's up, guys? This is Mav Cubing. This is obviously my first video. I mean, I literally made the channel like 10 minutes ago. So essentially, I have no idea how to solve a Rubik's Cube, but I have a Rubik's Cube, and I like watching speed cuber videos just because they're like interesting, So I have this. It's not like a speed cube, it's the original Rubik's Cube, and I just thought, why not learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube? And who knows, maybe I'll get good at it. So, I just thought, like, why not document it? So, I'll obviously be recording all of my attempts. So, yeah, I've never, like, actually solved a Rubik's Cube before. And I don't really have any idea how to. So, I mean, I have a timer right here, just because why not? And I'll be having a little bit of assistance. Just because, like I said, I have no idea how to solve one. So, just get to it, because why not? I'm going to go ahead and open up Google. Start the timer. And let's get to it. So, let's do solve Rubik's Cube. So, just gonna go with the first result. Just reading through this. Cubing terminology. So, okay. It's front, right, up, left, down. That's easy enough. So it's just a circle, basically. And it's just the other way, so yeah. Okay. Okay. These are solutions. I think I have to I don't really know. I guess I have to watch this.
To teach you the easiest Rubik's Cube solution in just 7 minutes in 7 easy steps. Let's have a look at the Rubik's Cube. It has edge pieces with 2 stickers, corners with 3 stickers, and a centerpiece on each face. As you can see, the centerpieces never change while I'm turning the faces. So the color of the center stickers will determine the color of each face when solved. The cube has 6 faces, and we're going to mark them with the initials of their names. Front, back, left, right, up, and down. When I say R, that means a clockwise rotation on the right face. Inverse rotations are marked with a prime sign, and double turns are marked with 2. We are ready to solve the cube. In the first step, we have to solve the white edges. They'll have to match the colors of the side centers, so the example on the right is not a correct solution. Find the white edge in the bottom layer and bring it under the spot where it's supposed to be.
Okay. Right. I mean, I'm just gonna see how far I can get. I mean, there's 2. Let's see. There's 2, I guess. That's good. Okay, there's a cross at least. There's 1. And I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, I have 2 correct ones, and these 2 need to be swapped. Just gonna watch this.
The white stickers can be facing down or to the front. When it's facing down, simply make a double front rotation. When it's facing front, do the following. Front inverted, right inverted, down inverted, right, double front.
I just think I need to
When
do
there's
all
no
that.
white edge in the bottom layer, we can bring it there. When the piece is in the middle layer, then hold the cube with the edge in the marked position and do right inverted, down inverted, right. You already know how to solve it when it's in the bottom layer. When it's in the top layer, just double rotate that face to send it to the bottom layer. Go through each white edge, and when they are all done, we can go on to solve the white corners.
Okay,
I
don't know how to get past this part. Just gonna, I guess if we're just gonna bring it up top though. I don't. I don't really know what to do here. I'm just gonna do this algorithm because front inverted, right inverted, down inverted, right, front. So yeah, that's exactly what I thought it would. This isn't very helpful so far. Okay, this looks like that, but like flipped. So maybe if I just do the like inverse algorithm, well, that's already there. Okay. Well. I'm gonna do this but like the other way because this is just like on the other side, so I guess it would be left inverted. It would be okay, wait, no, it would be and I guess, I mean, got it up there, I guess, but it's not really what we're looking for. Once again, these two, yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to get past this part.
The piece is in the middle layer.
This is like super unhelpful so far.
Then hold the cube with the... You already know how to solve it when it's in the bottom layer. When it's in the top layer, just double rotate that face to send it to the bottom layer. Go through each white edge, and when they are all done, we can go on to solve the white corners. Through each...
I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna try. And this is theoretically what it's supposed to be. It's just, I don't know. This is like really confusing. I'm gonna be able to get past this first part because this tutorial is super unhelpful. Oh, size not. Well, how do I fix that? What if it's solved, but it's like wrong? No, yeah. This is super unhelpful. What the heck? Let me try this. And come on, dude. Okay, I guess. And that goes there. Okay, back. I just need this red one to go up. So red. Okay. That screws it all up. I can't. Fuck. Oh, wait. Okay, I guess. And that. I need this green here. There we go. Okay, I got it. Cool. Alright, so now we can do the next part.
White edge, and when they are all done, we can go on to solve the white corners. We're going to use a trick to solve the corners. Right inverted, down inverted.
Okay, wait.
We're
What
going
trick?
to use a trick to solve.
Dog. Okay. Okay. Trying to get the corners up, but how do I... Was that? No. I think... Okay, this is just the same, but inverted again, so... I'm gonna do this the other way. So it'd be, there we go. Okay. So that's good, I think. And then... Okay, then we can do it like actually. So, okay. Now we have this other one. Okay. So we do it the other way again. So, okay. And then, hang on, we're going from the bottom to the top.
Solve the corners. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. This algorithm swaps the two highlighted pieces, changing their orientation in each step. Move a white corner below the spot where you want to insert it, and repeat right inverted, right, down, until the white sticker is facing up in the top layer.
Okay. So I just keep doing that, I guess. I don't know. Oh shit. That works. Okay. Done with that part.
Use this. When the white face is complete, we can turn the cube upside down. We are going to use two algorithms to solve the second layer. One of them sends the highlighted piece in the top layer to the left. The other one sends it to the right. The left algorithm, up inverted, left inverted, up,
Okay.
left,
So
up. I'm going to use two to the left.
okay, so I guess like that, if I want to move that there. So, or to the right or left. Big, okay, so we also need, like, this color needs to be matching with that one, like when it turns. Okay, so we'll do this one. So, right. So it'll be up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Okay, I did it backwards. Come on, dude. Oh my gosh. I was like fully on autopilot and I just literally forgot. Okay, that's not gonna work. That'll work though. So I guess we need to get this to the left, even though there's already a blue piece there. So, okay, up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Okay, we got one corner. Okay, now this needs to go to the left. This needs to go here, so do the left algorithm. Inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Okay. Got that part. That's messed up. Is there any, like, that's not gonna work. Okay, this part goes here now. Bring this to here. This will be a left one, so up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Okay. Nice, we got that down. Now we just need this part, so need to get that out of there somehow. Because that's not supposed to be there. I'm gonna do, here's what I'm gonna do. Let's do this algorithm. See if that works. So up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, face inverted. Okay. Okay, there we go. So now we can put this here. Do a left algorithm. Left inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, face inverted. I'm goated. Okay, so we got all that done. That's cool.
The other one sends it to the right. The left algorithm. In the next step, we make a yellow cross on the top of the cube. Check the yellow edges. You will see either a dot, an L shape, a line, or a cross. We want to reach the cross, and we have an algorithm to transform from one pattern to the next. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Make sure that the L shape is oriented correctly before you execute the moves. When the yellow stickers on the top are pointing to the backhand left, you can do the sequence.
Okay, gotcha. So, front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted. Okay, we have a line.
The line shape is horizontal, so we can go ahead and do it one more.
Okay. Face, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted. Nice. Okay, we got a cross.
Time to reach the cross. Now we have to organize the yellow edges to match the side stickers. Turn the up face and try to find matching colors. If there are two matching sides, then hold the cube with the wrong pieces on the front and the left.
It's not like that, brother.
Use this algorithm to swap the two highlighted edges. Right invert sides of the cube.
Okay.
Sometimes you'll find the matching pieces on the opposite sides of the cube.
Yes.
In this case, we have to use the same algorithm twice.
Okay. Alright. So right, up, right inverted, up, right, up two, right inverted, up. So now, okay, dude, I'm like scared I'm gonna do something wrong and then I'm gonna be sent back. 10 years of progress gone. Okay. That's still incorrect. So I think we have to do it again. So right, up, right inverted, up, right, up two, right inverted, up. How when? Still incorrect. Okay, let's do it again, I guess. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up two, right, inverted, up. Gosh. Ow. Okay, there we go. So we got two matching, three, all of them matching. Okay. Well, we did that, I guess. Oh shit, now we just have these corners.
Do the algorithm.
Okay, so I'm done with that.
First, we have to put them in the correct position, and we'll orient them in the next step. Rotate the puzzle and try to find a piece that's where it's supposed to be. Hold the cube.
What? How do I know where it's supposed to be? Because it just doesn't look like that. There's none of those. Gang. What? Okay, I'm just gonna do this algorithm. So hopefully they're in the right spot. Up, right, inverted, left inverted, up, right, inverted, up inverted, left. Oh my god. Scary thing to do, bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna are any of them right? Okay, one of them's right, but it's like reversed. I don't know if that's okay. It probably is. I just need to do the algorithm in reverse. But I'm like pretty scared to do that because I feel like I'm gonna mess up. And I do not want to mess up after getting this far, so. Well, I'm just gonna do it again. Who cares? Up, right, inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Okay, where are we at? Once again, except it's like even more wrong. Okay, so I can do it again. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Okay, do it again. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Okay, I mean, I guess So I'm just gonna have to do it like this, but I'm gonna have to do it backwards. I'm just like really scared to do that.
With this piece in the front right up position.
Okay.
And do the move.
Alright. I guess.
Up, right, up inverted, left inverted. Repeat the same if the pieces don't come to their destinations at first. When you can't find the corner in the correct position,
So,
just do the steps once.
so I'm at. Okay. I guess I'm trying to make them all like that. Okay. This is kind of weird and confusing. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this algorithm like backwards. This is like kind of weird, nerve-wracking. So it'd be up, so it'd be the other way. And the other way. Shit, I am so scared to do that. Like, I really don't want to do that because I feel like I am going to mess up. Where am I trying? See if I can get that here, I guess. Right? Blue. I'm trying to have it like. Oh, wait, what the heck? No, I'm tripping. This is right. Wait, what? I'm so confused. What the heck? Okay, so I want it to be like that. So if I had it theoretically like that, that would be right. So I'd have to get this one here in order to do that. I have to do it from here. Okay. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. That work? No. Oh my gosh, this is irritating. This is extremely irritating. What do I want? Do I want this? So if I had this here. Like, if I had this. If I had this here. Okay, no. So irritating because I have it bright. I guess I just have to do this like backwards. I like don't. I just really don't want to mess up that. Mess that up. Okay, I can't even feasibly possibly do that because all of the corners are on this side. So like, I kind of have to do this the inverted way. I'm just gonna do it. So it would be up, doing it like opposite way. Right. Up inverted. So it'd be like that. Left inverted. It would be like that. And up. Right inverted. Up inverted. So like, then the left. Okay, I did not mess that up. That's good. Okay, well now, at least one of them. Okay. So if I can get that part there, this part here. So I think I have to do this reverse if I want to get this here. So I'm gonna do it from this way. I'm gonna do it in reverse again. Despite how nerve-wracking that was. So up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted. Come on, dude. Up inverted. Left. Didn't mess that up. Okay. Oh shit. I mean, that was supposed to work. But instead, I just solved that. Fucking hell. This is so irritating. I'm like, Okay, that would be correct if I can get this here. So I need to. I need to get this here. I need to get this here. So I'm gonna do this formula the normal way to get it there. So up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. That worked, dude? Please tell me that worked. Yes. Wait, no. Ugh. Oh, it did. Wait. Dude, this gotta be rage bait. This has to be rage bait. I'm actually about to lose it. I think I'm already losing it. Oh my gosh. Dude, okay. So I'm just gonna do it inverted again. Up. Right. Up inverted. Left inverted. Up. Right inverted. Up inverted. Left. Okay. So can I please, can this actually work? Please. I need to get this thing here. This here. Simple as that. Please. So, up. Right. Up inverted, left inverted. Up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And please, 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 please. Can this? Oh my goodness. I'm about to lose it. This is like getting scammed in real time. I cannot get this. This is like rage bait. If I get that here, okay. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. What does that do? Oh, no way. It didn't solve it. It solved it oppositely. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? So I can spam this algorithm because I literally have no idea what to do from here. I don't. Well, that almost works. But it doesn't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Finally. Like. Okay. Found one that works.
Hold the cube with this piece in the front right up position. And do the moves.
So how is it supposed to be? I literally have no idea. But whatever. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Okay. Okay, we got another one. Then, is that right? Am I? Yeah, okay. Well, we have two that are in the right spot, theoretically.
Up, right, up inverted. The pieces don't come to their destinations at first. When you can't find any corner in the
So,
correct position,
it
just
looks
do
like
the steps
that.
once and check the colors again.
I think I did it. Okay.
You must remember the right inverted,
I
left
guess.
inverted, right
And
down
it's like,
algorithm. Now we use the same to orient the yellow corners in this.
oh, okay. Alright. So, okay, so this part again. I have to do that algorithm. So, do that to the corners in the right spot.
This final
Okay,
step.
what?
Now listen carefully. Hold the cube with the wrong yellow corner on the front right up position. Repeat right inverted, right down until the yellow sticker is facing up.
Oh my
Rotate
gosh.
the top face to bring
So, we're like messing up the rest of the cube. This is gonna be super nerve-wracking.
right up position. Repeat right inverted, right down until the yellow sticker is facing up. Rotate the top face to bring another misaligned yellow corner to the front right up position. Do the moves until the yellow sticker is facing up.
Okay. Simple. I don't know. Simple enough. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Oh my god. It's like super nerve-wracking. Okay. Bring the next one, I guess. Inverted, down, inverted, right, down. Inverted, right, down. Okay. Inverted, right, down. Inverted, down, inverted, right, down. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're done. Okay. Nice. I guess. I mean, first time, 38 minutes. Oh, shit. Okay. 39 minutes. Not the worst. I mean, I had help. Wow. Okay. Well. Yeah, that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.